Everyone thinks the best-selling lift kits for the FJ Cruiser are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Dynafit 1.5 Leveling Kit. First up, we have the Dynafit 1.5 Leveling Kit. Priced at just $42.99, this kit caught my eye because of its solid 4.6-star rating from 892 reviews. If you want an affordable solution to lift your FJ Cruiser's front suspension without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This kit raises your ride by 1.5 inches, providing enough clearance for larger tires without the rough ride often associated with lifts. It's designed specifically for your FJ Cruiser and a few select Toyotas, ensuring a perfect fit. With easy installation and a sleek black anodized finish, it will elevate your truck's look and performance. Now, some people complain that some studs needed trimming if they were longer than 3-4 inches. Here's the thing though, if you're handy, this is a minor tweak that won't cost you much time. If you're not comfortable doing that, it might be a hassle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option to enhance your FJ Cruiser's aesthetics and clearance. Skip this one if you want a more significant lift or plan on heavy off-roading. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the Dynafit's minor trimming issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KSB2 Lift Kit. Next, we have the KSB2 Lift Kit, priced at $44.55 and boasting a similar 4.6-star rating from 411 reviews. What caught my attention here is its combination of affordability and safety features. If you're looking for a lift that adds stability as well as style, this one's worth considering. This kit raises your front by 2 inches, which is fantastic for off-roading adventures. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it provides the strength you need for rough terrains without adding unnecessary weight. Plus, the powder-coated finish offers excellent corrosion resistance, which is key for durability. An alignment is recommended after installation, but that's a small price to pay to ensure your vehicle handles well. However, some users found the instructions a bit unclear, which can be frustrating. But if you're someone who loves DIY projects or has a buddy who knows their way around cars, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want extra ground clearance without sacrificing safety. Skip this one if you prefer detailed instructions and a straightforward installation process. The value is there, especially for off-road enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious lift seekers. Product number 3, KSB3 Tacoma Leveling Kit. Coming in hot is the KSB3 Tacoma Leveling Kit, available for $43.69. With 373 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, this kit promises a more substantial lift. If you're ready for a more aggressive stance and enhanced off-road capabilities, keep listening. This kit does a fantastic job of raising your front by 3 inches, giving you the clearance for larger tires. Made from the same quality aircraft aluminum as the previous kits, it's built to last. The installation is straightforward, and like the others, an alignment after installation is a good idea to maintain driving safety. The added ground clearance is perfect for those rocky trails and gives your FJ Cruiser that commanding presence. However, a few reviews mentioned that it might rub a bit if you're running extreme tires. Here's the thing, if you're planning to off-road heavily, that's something to consider. But if you stick to moderate trails and want a lift for looks and light off-roading, it's a non-issue. This kit is perfect for you if you want a significant lift without compromising on quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something less aggressive. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this lift kit. Now, if you want to go even bigger, the next one on the list will definitely interest you. Product number 4, KSB4 Runner Full Leveling Lift Kit. Next up is the KSB4 Runner Full Leveling Lift Kit, retailing for $109.99. This one has a higher price tag but comes with a 4.7-star rating from 232 reviews. If you're serious about lifting your vehicle and need a comprehensive kit, this one's got you covered. What this means for you is a balanced lift that enhances both performance and aesthetics. It's designed for 35 tires, which is awesome if you're looking to hit those trails hard. The heavy-duty carbon steel used in the spacers provides added strength and durability, meaning less worry about wear and tear. However, some users noted that installation requires a bit more effort due to the full kit nature. If you're not comfortable with a more complex install, this might not be for you. But honestly, if you're serious about off-roading, the benefits outweigh the installation hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a complete leveling solution for your FJ Cruiser or 4Runner. Skip this one if you're looking for something more straightforward and easy to install. It's a solid investment for off-road enthusiasts. Alright, that was an impressive option. But the last product might give you even more flexibility. Product number 5, TOPTHANE Leveling Lift Kit. Last but not least is the TOPTHANE Leveling Lift Kit, priced at $83.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 127 reviews, it's a good mid-range option. If you're after something that balances performance and practicality without going overboard, let's break it down. The polyurethane construction is built to withstand tough conditions, which means you can trust it for both on- and off-road experiences. The ease of installation is a massive plus, making it accessible even for novice DIYers. However, some users reported minor alignment issues post-installation, which can be a bit of a hassle. But here's the thing. Getting a proper alignment is standard for any lift kit, so it's not a unique flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a balanced lift without complicated installation. Skip this one if you're not willing to do a bit of tweaking after the install. It's a great value considering the performance boost you'll get. So there you have it. From budget options to comprehensive kits, there's something here for every FJ Cruiser owner. To sum it all up, whether you're looking for a budget-friendly lift like the Dynafit, something more aggressive like the KSP3, or a comprehensive kit like the KSP4Runner, each of these lift kits brings something unique to the table. Choose based on your needs and you can't go wrong with any of these solid options.